Designed for both style and performance, the Vittorio 48-inch range hood keeps your kitchen fresh with a 424 cubic feet per minute motor that efficiently removes smoke, grease, and odors. The 3-speed fan control adapts to various cooking needs, while dishwasher-safe baffle filters ensure easy maintenance. Enjoy seamless operation with touch and remote controls, and brighten your cooking space with energy-efficient LED lighting. Engineered for low-noise performance, it allows for a peaceful kitchen environment. With its sleek white finish and antique brass accents, the Vittorio brings vintage charm to any kitchen design. The versatile installation suits both wall-mounted and under-cabinet setups, while the 3-minute power-off delay ensures continuous ventilation even after cooking. Also available in a sleek black design. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.